Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change snooze timing in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to home screen of your phone and go to clock icon. Go to clock and here select the alarm and here click on snooze and it is already turned on. Click over snooze and here you can change snooze timing. By default it is set to 5 minutes. You can increase to 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes, or you can set custom minute. Here I set 2 minutes. Okay, and then click on repeat. Here by default it is 3 times selected, so every 2 minutes it will be repeated up to 3 times, and you can set repeat timings up to 5, okay, or forever. It will repeated every 2 minutes unlimitedly. Okay, so in this way you can easily change snooze timing in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. I keep in the default option 5 minutes 3 times. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.